Hello, I'm Fireman Sam, and today we're going to be learning about fire safety with Joe and Hannah. And today, Joe and Hannah will be showing you why you should never overload a socket.
This is a socket, and usually you'll just put one plug into each socket. But sometimes you need to put more than one plug into one socket, which is fine if you use one of these. But whatever you use, as far as electricity goes, always ask an adult to do it for you.
You see, each socket has a maximum power allowance based on the amperages and wattages of the particular appliances in question.
Dad?
You see, here I've plugged in too many things just to show how dangerous it can be.
Dad, that really doesn't look safe.
Relax, Hannah. I know what I'm doing. Oh, look. Sam's remote-controlled Jupiter is fully charged now. Wow! Look at it go!
Don't look at that, Dad. Look at all the plugs. There's still too many things plugged in.
And that's why you should never overload a socket.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's